How to view your charges and account transactions. To begin, under the Finances section, review your account summary. Your account summary will show if you have any charges that are due now, future due, or past due. Next, to the right, select the Account Inquiry link. Under Account Inquiry, you can view a summary by term of any outstanding charges, pending financial aid, and total due amounts. To view your transactions, select the Activity link. Here, under your activity, you can view your charges by date range from and to, or by term. And in this example, let's select all terms, select Spring 2026. You can backdate it to get a full range view of your charges for the term, and then select Go. Once the screen changes, down at the bottom, select the link that says View All. And now you have a full range view of your charges for the term by the date, the description, the term, the charges, the payments, and any refunds.